Hello my wonderful viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to take you through my 30 days of learning digital drawing challenge. When I started this challenge, my goal was simple: to improve my skills in digital drawing and create stunning artworks that truly reflects my style. I wanted to learn how to paint digitally and of course share all my creation with you guys. Here the very first piece I created on day 1. I was nervous but super eager to dive into this new world of digital drawing. And here we are on day 30. It's amazing to see the progress I've made in just 1 month. Every day I challenged myself to take an online art class through YouTube and other platforms like Udemy and practice what I learned and then upload my work on my YouTube channel and my social media platforms. There were times when I felt bored and when I needed to take a little break to avoid burnout. But overall, it's been a rewarding experience. I still have so much to learn and I'm just getting started. My dream is to create and share my own unique artwork someday. I want you to be part of this journey with me. If you enjoy what you see and want to support my art, please hit the subscribe button and join me on this amazing adventure. Your encouragement motivates me to keep creating and sharing new art videos with you. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time, happy creating.